Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So this week, quick update video. I landed my first paying client, hopefully paying. It's a little bit complicated. It's going to be a commission-based deal. I'll get into the details in a few seconds. First, I want to recap a little bit about what's happened so far. So with this challenge, I came down here to Oaxaca, tried with one person originally to get going with a free project. That didn't work. Then tried the gym, that did work. So did a free project for the gym. I thought it worked out pretty well. And that ended up getting me some warm leads in different places. So using the gym website, I contacted people that I knew in my own personal network and told them if they can look out for other people and just let me know if they come across anyone who might be interested in a website. So I got a few warm leads from that, both here in Mexico and in Canada. And so far out of that, just one deal has come true, which was this free website for the construction company. So that's fine, I'm still in the portfolio stage. I was happy to do some free work, which is what I started doing last week. So I got connected to the business owners of this construction company and offered to do a free portfolio website for their business, focusing on some of the past projects that they had already done. But while doing that project last week, while starting the free portfolio site, we've seen that there's a lot more potential to do a much bigger site that could hopefully land them some paying customers for the current construction projects that they have. So we had a few meetings last week and we basically agreed to switch it from a free portfolio site to an actual paying site on a commission basis. So what I'm now going to do is build a full website for this business covering all their past projects and all their future projects, and then get a commission on sales that come through the website for future projects. So this past weekend, I was invited by the company down to Puerto Escondido. It's about a 5-hour drive from where I'm at right now. And I went down basically to view the new property that they're developing. It's just at the showroom stage. They're just building the showroom so they can showcase what the final product is going to be like. So got to see that under construction and just talk to the owners about the plans for the future. There's definitely a lot of potential there to use this project as one of the main projects to promote on the website and hopefully make some sales commission. Now, it's a little bit complicated with this stuff. It's not as simple as just building a website and then you get all these sales. There's a lot of different things to it. You got to be able to track those sales. You got to be able to generate some leads, prove that they came through the website, and then have a system in place to know that they bought property as well. I definitely trust the construction company, but I still have to be sure that I can track things on the website and that I can show the results that I produced and that I'm able to get paid. If I'm able to do that, there is a pretty good reward there. It's going to be around 3% per property sold, and the kind of price tag that they sell property at is from 100,000 to 200,000. So you're looking at 3,000 to 6,000 US dollars per every sale that comes through the website. Now, there definitely is going to be a challenge to track and to prove that, but if I can do that, then I have full faith that this person is going to pay me. So the plan for February is to go ahead and build this project. I'm going to first cover all the older projects. I want to make sure that I have a page for each of those and maybe a promotional video, some photos, obviously some content. The reason that I still want to do that, even though that side of it is not paid, is having a website with those past projects is going to build a lot of trust for future projects. So when I posted about this website during the week on Facebook, a few people had some feedback kind of wondering why I did that sort of deal, or is it not risky to do a fully commission-based deal? Basically, at this stage, in this challenge, I only have one past website that I can show these people, the gym website. So it's very, very hard to get someone to hand over a lot of money at this stage without showing them past results. So for a project like this, if it wasn't commission-based, if I was able to charge just a one-off fee, I'd be charging close to $10,000, if not more than $10,000. But at this stage in Mexico, for a construction company that hasn't seen anything really other than a gym project, it's not going to be possible for me to charge that much that fast. So this is kind of still a portfolio website. If I make commission from this, perfect. Even if I don't, and I'm still going to try and make commission, of course, but even if I don't, this is going to be a great project to have as a second portfolio piece that I can then use to approach businesses in the US and Canada and start landing jobs of a much bigger size. So as deals get bigger in web design, as you start reaching for bigger and bigger clients, it becomes more and more important to be able to show past results. If you're expecting to get paid $10,000 or $20,000, you need to be able to show things that you've done in the past, results that you've created, value that you've brought in for other businesses. Right now, with just the gym website, I can't really do that. I can't really prove the amount of results or the amount of value that I can create. I can just show basically a good design, a good layout, and kind of talk about the potential value that's there. But I don't have rock solid proof yet, because that gym website has only been up a few weeks, and at the end of the day it's only a gym, so it's not going to have massive results. So with a project like this, I got to get a little bit creative with how I pitch it. I can't go straight for a big, one-off price. That's why I've gone with this commission-based deal. Hopefully I still make some money out of this. Hopefully I'm able to track those sales and bring in some leads. But at the end of the day, it's still about building a solid portfolio, building sites like this, so that even if I don't get well paid for the first one, I now have this huge project where I can clearly show, how much value I created. So in the near future, I'm definitely hoping to leverage this deal into high paying work. I'm gonna take what I've done here, approach businesses in the US and in Canada, and show them what I could potentially do for them on the same level for their own business. So that's definitely the plan here. Even if I make nothing from this, I'm still okay with that, because it's my second portfolio piece. I'm still at those early stages, and I can definitely leverage something of this size into high paying work, into kind of whatever sort of deal that I want to make. So that is the plan for now. I'm going to be spending most of February on this project. In the next few videos, I'll update kind of different stages, how I plan these projects, how I build them, how I create value, all those different things. And then hopefully towards the end of February, have a really good project that I can then start using to leverage work in different countries. So I'm going to be doing cold calling, cold emailing, all that fun stuff in March. So that's it for now. This is just a quick update video. Any questions on this, let me know. I'll be back Monday showing you how I'm planning for this project and kind of what the next steps with this is going to be. So thanks for watching. Catch you next week.